channel. I hope you're all healthy and staying safe in your life wherever you are staying and watching me. And if you are watching my video first time, thank you for watching my video, and but don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share my video with your family and friends. And for my regular viewers, thank you again for keep watching all my videos, for your support. And here I am again with another exciting, very useful, very effective remedy to share with you guys. And it's not time consuming at all, as I always mention in all my videos, that I believe in our life is busy and we should have healthy things, but it has to be effective and less time consuming. So that's why I'm here again with another effective video, and which will not take a lot of time, and it's very simple to make it at home. And this video is about and dedicated to our beautiful ladies and the girls, women's, and this video is about periods. Periods are very, very important in all our lives, all our women's life, and it has a huge impact on our body, on our health. So it's an important part of our life. And every month we plan our things. Sometimes it depends on when our periods are starting and when our periods are ending. And the problem comes when our periods doesn't start on on the expected date. Our periods get delayed. So this video is about that when your periods are delayed, it doesn't come on the expected date. So you should try this drink, the one I will be sharing with you guys how to make at home. Very simple and easy to make at home, and this drink will help you to start your periods. And once your period started, please stop drinking this drink, the one I will be sharing with you guys. And this video is not for the ladies who are pregnant and or who are planning to conceive. So do not try and drink this remedy, the one I'm going to share with you guys. So don't take it, don't consume it. But otherwise, on a regular basis, for ladies whose periods get delayed, so this is very effective remedy. So without a delay, let's start. So to make this drink, it's very easy, and we need only 4 ingredients. And most of you, I can assure you, you have these ingredients at home. You don't need to go and buy from the store. But even if you don't have it and you need to buy it, you can buy it from any nearby Indian grocery store, and it's not expensive. It's under $10, all the 4 ingredients, but I'm sure you might have at home. And so the the first ingredient, we need ginger. So we need a freshly shredded ginger. And we need, second ingredient is fennel seeds. So these are the fennel seeds. And the third ingredient is the cumin seeds. So here is the cumin seeds. And the fourth ingredient is a turmeric powder. And this is the turmeric powder. And we need a 1 glass of water, and we need a 1 pan to boil all these 4 ingredients in the pan. To make this drink, we need a 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, and put that in the pan. And same, we need a 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and we need a 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and we need a little bit less than half tablespoon of turmeric powder. So put that, all these 4 things in the pan, and pour 1 glass of water in the pan, and then put it on a stove and let it boil for 4 or 5 minutes. Or just see everything, all the things we want, all the benefits to be come out. The reason we are boiling all these 4 items in the water, so we can take all the benefits from these 4 ingredients. So as I said, boil it for a good 4 or 5 minutes, or to see once the we are using 1 full glass of water. So once it just after boiling, it's like maybe half glass is left. So then you can stop boiling it, and you have to take it as a like a warm, lukewarm, or a little bit, more than that, so warm, not cold. And take it at night time. So to get the whole benefit, take at night time. It will help, this drink will help you to relax your muscles, your body, and it will help you the next morning. Your periods will definitely start. If it's not next morning, just in 2 days it will start. And once your periods is started, please stop taking this drink. And the other tip I want to share with you guys are related to the irregular periods. It could be so many reasons for that. It could be the hormone imbalance. It could be stress is the bigger reason for which irregulate our periods. So try to do a exercise on a regular basis. That will help for our, to reduce our mental stress, which could be for due to our busy life. We do so many things on a daily basis. So try to go for a walk. And walk is a bigger stress buster, and it helps to balance our life and stress. So try that. People who have a thyroid, it could be another problem for the irregular periods. So try this drink. This drink is not any medical treatment. If anyone has a medical issues related to their irregular periods, this is a normal simple remedy. If your period irregular, it doesn't come start on the expected date, so this is, you can try, and definitely you will see the result. Either if you are taking a night time, next morning, or in the next day. So within 2 days your period will start. And as I said, it's very easy to make it, and it's not time consuming. Take it at night time, and let me try it, and let me know if your family and friend has this type of problem. Please share this video with them, and I'm sure it will work for them. And please put your comments in the comment box if you have any related to this video, or if there's any other subject or any other information you needed. I would love to make the videos. And thank you for always asking me so many questions. I love to answer all your questions. And thank you for watching my video. It helps me. It give me the motivation and the support, and encourage me to bring more exciting videos for you guys. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share my videos, so everyone, all the people can benefit. Your family and friends can benefit from my videos. And I'll be back again with another effective, simple remedies for you guys. And thank you. Have a nice day.